Hi, today I'm reviewing the iUNIK Centella Calming Gel Cream. And really quick, I just want to say, I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with any sponsored ads or videos, so if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsbeauty.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. And thank you guys so much for clicking on the links below. It does make a huge difference. So I'll put links in today's video too. So iUNIK has some great products, and I don't think I've really gotten a chance to review many of them, so I thought I would start with this one, which is arguably one of their more popular products, although they recently came out with this black snail cream, which I'm also enjoying. I'll review that one too. Anyway, so they say infused with 70% Centella leaf water, 10% tea tree leaf water, and 6 kinds of sprout extracts. This lightweight gel cream soothes and clarifies skin while reducing blemishes, wrinkles, leaving it refreshed and resilient. And they talk about these 6 kind of sprout extracts, and I'll talk about more in the ingredient list. But most of them are skin conditioning ingredients and hydrating ingredients. They're not what I would call skincare superstar ingredients, but there's a lot of ingredients that help skin, you know. So they're not super crazy exciting, but they're nice for skin. So okay, my first criteria is packaging. Really like their packaging. Actually, I think I've got more of them, but they're all nice squeeze bottles that travel easily when I used to travel back in my old life. Okay, in terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, this does not contain any of those. And when we get to fragrance, this is my only issue with this product, is that they do have a few fragrant ingredients in it. It's got a very light scent. It dissipates quickly, so I get migraines from a lot of scents. I'm very sensitive to smells and scents, and this hasn't caused any issues for me, so that's a big deal. But it has bergamot oil, myrrh extract, and myrrh, M-Y-R-H-H, myrrh. It has natural astringent, disinfectant properties, but it also has a fragrance component to it, which makes it potentially irritating. There's a lot of ingredients that have good benefits, but also because they have fragrant components can be also irritating, so it just depends on exactly how sensitive your skin is. And then it also contains limonene and linalool. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fragrant ingredients. They're all at the very end of the ingredient list. The scent isn't overwhelming, but this could be a total superstar product for me if it didn't contain those, because I just feel like people with sensitive skin can have issues with them. So keep that in mind. Maybe your skin's not super sensitive, so I'm jealous. Okay, the manufacturing location for this one is Korea, so no issues with that. So ease of use. So this one does have a really nice gel texture to it, which I really appreciate. It smooths over skin super easily. So you can use this in the morning or evening, after toning, if you use any serums, vitamin C, things like that. Apply this where you would apply your normal moisturizer. It works just like a moisturizer, except it's got a wonderful gel texture. I just love gel texture products. They just feel so nice, and the gel texture generally doesn't pill as much as some other textures can pill. So absorbs pretty quickly. I found it plays well with other products. Once it absorbs, it sets to kind of a natural finish. It doesn't look greasy or shiny, and it doesn't look matte. So it's got kind of a natural finish, which is nice for a lot of skin types. Works well in my routine morning and evening. Actually, what really put this more on my radar was I was talking about finding a replacement for the proteining. A lot of people suggested this one, and I thought, it's been a little bit of time since I played with this product, so I should pull it out and play with it again. And it is a nice replacement. It works well under sunscreens. So a lot of products don't play well with sunscreen. This one is wonderful. So there we go. Okay, in terms of antioxidants and beneficial ingredients, so we've got Centella Asiatica water. Centella Asiatica is a great ingredient. It's a soothing ingredient. It's a hydrating ingredient. It can have some antioxidant properties. Then we've got tea tree water, which tea tree oil is common. It does have a fragrance component to tea tree oil, but they used tea tree water, which is a very diluted version, which has anti-acne properties, astringent properties, and antibacterial properties. It can be really effective for people with very acne-prone skin to use it, except for sometimes if you have sensitive skin, that fragrant component can be a bit much. But it does tend to give things a bit of a herbal scent to it, which I don't mind. Then we've got niacinamide, which is a brightening ingredient. It's a barrier repair ingredient, anti-acne and hydrating ingredient. Lincoln, I was wondering if Lincoln wanted to come judge the fragrance. Lincoln, would you like to judge the scent of this? Come here. Do you think this is overwhelming or not? Well, he's hitting on it. Ding, ding. No, he didn't think it was very scented. Because if he found it very fragrant, he would lay to the floor and alert me. If he found it too scented. So, okay. Then we've got Arginine, which is an amino acid and natural moisturizing factor. Then we've got Centella Asiatica extract. So we've got Centella water. Then we've got the extract. The extract is great. Wound healing, antioxidant, soothing ingredient. We've got Allantoin, which is another skin soothing and skin protecting ingredient. Then we've got tea tree extract, which is an anti-acne ingredient. Also has a bit of a scent to it as well. We've got Adenosine, which is a cell communicating ingredient. Licorice extract, soothing ingredient. We've got sodium hyaluronate, humectant. It's in frickin' everything. Wheat germ, conditioning ingredient. We've got broccoli, which is an astringent and oil controlling, oil absorbing ingredient. Then we've got other sprouts. We've got cabbage, alfalfa, radish, and yucca sprouts, which all have skin conditioning properties. So, nice long list of good ingredients in here. So, they did a good job with it. They've got some nice calming ingredients, soothing ingredients, and also protecting and hydrating ingredients. So, they did a nice job with the ingredient list. In terms of cruelty-free status, this is cruelty-free, and most of their products are vegan, but they're not a vegan brand because they do have some products that aren't all vegan. Although I do believe this one is vegan, so. Okay, in terms of performance, so I found my skin really does like this one. I've tried a lot of similar type products and products with other fragrance ingredients that my skin didn't react as well to, but my skin really does like this. I wish they would take those fragrance out because this could be just a totally amazing product that I could recommend to everybody. But because they do have those fragrance ingredients, I can't recommend it to everybody. But the nice thing is it's very friendly for acne-prone skin. Only one ingredient of note, which is Dimethicone. It's fungal acne safe, which is great. I do like this one. It's a nice summer moisturizer. It leaves your skin feeling hydrated, but not greasy, sticky, or anything like that. So, really enjoy using this one. In terms of the price, this is a full size, which is 60 milliliters, 2.11 ounces. Retails around $25, but if you check out Yessytle, it is frequently on sale for like $13. So, it's worth watching it, and I'll put a link in below. So, it's a pretty affordable product, and even better if you can get it on sale. Then, in terms of the it factor, really like it. I just wish this were fragrance-free. Totally. I mean, the scent is so light. Lincoln didn't even notice it. Why do they even include it? If you're listening, iUNIK, please listen to me. Take this into concern. You have potential, even bestest better selling product if you listen to me. Seriously. I mean, I don't say this often, but listen to me. Seriously. I could recommend this to everybody tomorrow, but because of those 4 fragrant ingredients, not everyone can use it. But if you change the ingredient list a little bit. Anyway. So, love the texture. It is a nice replacement for the Protini. I'll certainly keep trying that. If we're fragrance-free, I know tomorrow it would make the change and not look back. But anyway. Okay, with the 10 being a perfect score, I give this one an 8, which is like, if you're thinking about like grade school grades, that's like a B. Right? Well, what would like 79% be? That would be like a C? C plus? So 80% would be like a B minus. There we go. I don't know. A lot of kids got A pluses, but not math for me. So anyway, okay, those are my thoughts. Interested in hearing from you guys. If you've tried this one or have a favorite product from the brand, let me know. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys.